So, hello guys, today we are going to solve Codeforces problem 2238A and it is a div 2 problem. So, yeah, let's start. So, in this we have been given two arrays and we have to do the following operation. We can choose any index of AI and change it to AI minus 1 and this costs 1 second, or else we can reorder the array A and this costs C seconds. So using these two operations, we have to convert array A into B. So yeah, let's see how to do it. So we have array A of n size, okay, and array B of n size, and we have to solve. So we have to convert A to B. So how can we do that using those following operations? So one thing you can understand that if we have to AI to BJ, okay, and it will have to decrease how many times? AI minus BJ. So this will take AI minus BJ seconds. So first we will try without reordering. Okay, so let's say there we have four like this and four like this. Okay, so we will do this AI minus BI, then A1 minus B1, A2 minus B2, A3 minus B3, and A4 minus B4. But if at any index AI minus Bi goes negative, we cannot do that without reordering. Okay, so for first step what we will do, we will take the array and we will do the following operation. Okay, AI minus Bi, and we will R to a sum. But if AI minus Bi goes negative, that means without rearranging it is not possible. So now we have to rearrange it. That will take C seconds. Now, one thing, let's say we have somehow rearranged. Okay, we have somehow rearranged. So, like, we will do AI minus BJ plus AI1 minus BJ1 plus AI2 minus BJ2 plus like this. Okay, so at the end, what can we say? AI plus AI1 plus AI2 plus AI3 plus like this minus BI1 plus BI2 plus BI3 plus BI4 like this. So at the end we get summation of I equal to 0 to n minus 1 A of I minus summation of I equal to 0 to n minus 1 B of I. So when is this thing not possible? When can we not change A to B? So to check that, we have to first sort all the array. Let's say we have 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 after sorting. Okay, now in this case it is possible, but when it is not possible, if like we can say 1 2 3 4 5, for this we have 6, for this we have, but this like this. Okay, now this is not possible because for we don't have anything. Okay, like this is A and this is B, this is A and this is B, so I cannot change one to anything. Let's take another example. This is A and this is B. Okay, let's take another example where we take A as 1 like 5, 7, 9 and 10. Okay, we take this 11, we take this maybe 8, then we take this 8, then we take this 4. Okay, now is this thing possible? Is this thing possible? You answer me. No, it is not possible because we cannot change 10 to 11. We cannot change 10 to 11. But you can say we can change 8 to 8 though. But if we change 8 to 8, we cannot take this anyway. So we have to take the previous one. Then for this we have to take the previous one. Then what will this take? This cannot take anything. So it is not possible. So at the end, for this thing to work, after sorting, A of I should be greater than or equal to B of I. After sorting both the arrays. After sorting both arrays. So again, what will we do? First we will not sort them. First we will just calculate if without rearranging we can change A to B without rearranging. So we will do AI minus BI. And if at any index it goes less than 0, we cannot do without rearranging. After that we will what? We will sort all of them. Okay, we will sort all of them. Sort both A and B. After sorting both A and B, we will check if A of I is greater than equal to B of I. If A of I is less than equal to B of I, we will return -1. And the reason I have explained here. This part. And at the end, if it is possible, we will do summation of AI I equal to 0 to n minus 1 to summation of minus summation of I equal to 0 to n. So now let's look at the code, how it works. So we will take N and C both input and then both array A and both array B as input. Then we will do the first thing in which we will calculate the sum without rearranging. But at any index, if this rearrangement fails, we have to break. It is not possible without rearranging. And if it at any point x gets less than 0, matlab I minus b of I is less than 0, then we indicate that sum is 118 just to indicate that it is not possible by this method, and then break. Then we sort both of them, both A and B. Then we calculate the answer using the formula, that is summation of A of I minus summation of B of I, although some. Then we now check if any, after sorting all the index, after sorting we have to check if A of I is less than B of I. It is not possible. It is not possible after sorting. If this gets if B of I is greater than A of I, it is not possible. Then after this we check if sum is double equal to 118, means this thing failed, we cannot do it without rearranging. Then we will output sum 1 plus C, else we will output the sum, which, and this sum is without rearranging, and this is with rearranging. And yes, it gets accepted. You can see here, this is the same code. Yes.